Hello everyone, welcome to Team Developers channel, and in this short video I'll show you how to fix GTA 5 Epic game launch error. So before starting video, if you are new to this channel, then hit subscribe button and also don't forget to like the video. So without wasting time, let's start our video. So first of all, open Task Manager and now close all GTA 5 Rockstar and Epic game processes. After closing all these processes, now come back to home screen and open Properties of Epic's launcher and follow every step. Hope so method shown in this video will fix launch error, and if it does, then hit like button. Also don't forget to subscribe Team Developers channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.